Discover how thousands of YouTubers are making a full-time income. Go to beatoolboss.com or click the link in the description. Welcome to Real Internet Cash. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and in this quick video, I'm going to share with you the easiest way to get some free PayPal cash. Now, what I'm about to explain is seriously, in my opinion, one of the easiest ways to do this, but you won't make a ton of cash, but you definitely will earn some money and you can have it sent to your PayPal. What I'm talking about is taking surveys, short surveys. Now, before you be like, whoa, I watched the videos before and you said, taking surveys, you can't make a lot of money, right? Well, what's up with that? And the truth is, you can't, right? You can't make a lot of money from paid surveys, but you can make some money from paid surveys. So if you're looking to make, I'm looking to make $500 a month, then no, right? Don't use surveys. But if you're just looking to get some free extra money, right, for doing basically nothing, okay, money that can add up over time, then yes, you want to do the whole free survey sites. So you might want to think about, well, how do I find the right, survey sites? Which ones pay? Because there are a few whack ones out there that, will just completely waste your time and you won't get nothing out of it. So a few places that you can go, I'm gonna give you three, and I'll give you the main one I'm gonna say start with. But there's places like Swagbucks, right? Swagbucks, you can get on there, you take short surveys, you can do a whole bunch of other stuff, and you earn points that can be redeemed for PayPal cash, right? Another place is Slice the Pie. This is a place I talked about years ago, and the money will add up there, but that's a little more time consuming because you do short surveys over there, but it's more like opinions. Like last time I was on there, they'll ask you like about certain clothing items, certain products, and they want you to really like answer them and get your opinions on that level. And you also, with Slice the Pie, you actually get earn points. Actually, no, you actually earn money just for listening to music and reviewing music, right? But if you want the super easiest and let money just kind of just build up on itself for PayPal, go with Paid Viewpoint, right? I've talked about them tons of times. Paid Viewpoint. All right, this is a place you sign up absolutely free, right? And you just take a short survey. I mean, their surveys are stupid easy, right? And don't take you a long time. But with these surveys, you get like 10 cents, 20 cents per survey, whatever, depending on what it is. So keep in mind, no, you ain't going to be balling off of this, but the money does add up. And if you see right here, boom, I put right here, I got $48 right now that I can get sent to my PayPal. And that money is, altogether I've earned several $100s from Paid Viewpoint, but that's the $48 is what I got in there right now. And I'll be forgetting about it. So I don't know, maybe in time when it get up to maybe $60, $70, I'll cash it out with PayPal, right? Only reason I'm saying Paid Viewpoint is because it's just so easy. Now, guys, this is what you want to do. When you sign up with Paid Viewpoint, make sure you check the email that you use, because they will, when you first get started, you can take like a beginner survey or like get a survey off initially, you know what I'm saying? But then they're gonna send you surveys to your email. So check your emails every day. Whenever you get a survey, take it and keep it moving. The other thing that I highly recommend is if you really want to maximize your earning potential and your PayPal money, refer Paid Viewpoint. Refer. So every time you take a survey, they actually have an option that you can share that survey. And if you got a lot of people on Facebook or Twitter or whatever your social media is, share that survey and let people know, hey, look, I just made money taking this easy survey, right? And that will build up your earnings. Trust me, it builds up. All right, so take the surveys and share, right? Get referrals. And that is the easiest PayPal money, one of the easiest ways to make PayPal money, straight up, without a doubt. So if you want to check out Paid Viewpoint, you already know the YouTube game. Link is below if you're not a member of Paid Viewpoint. I'll put Swag Bucks and Slice the Pie down there as well. But if you want to just get jumping quick, just sign up with Paid Viewpoint. Super, super easy. But keep in mind, listen to me. You will not get rich off of this. Take your PayPal earnings, and if I was you, I'll put it towards something else that can make me more money. Buy a course with it. Start investing in the stock market with it. You know what I'm saying? Do something productive with it, or you do whatever you want. It is what it is. Hopefully you liked this video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next video.